Look what happened. The rainstorm knocked down a pretty tree. This tree's like the one in like Pocahontas and some shit like that. I'm like so sad, you know? It's like a beautiful thing knocks down because it was thunderstorm. It made me sad. It was still a healthy tree too, look. It's still healthy. And now it's gonna die. I'm so sad. That is just sad. You know, I think Mother Nature for bringing us rain and stuff, but not when it knocks down pretty trees. My neighborhood is treeless. Flash floods suck. Share this video if you love the trees.